Hi, let me share with you some camera tips on your Honor Magic 7 Lite. So let's start by opening camera. And firstly, we'll see this photo mode in which we can enable zoom, of course. We can take a look at the upper panel. Here we'll find this AI photography for automatic photo enhancements. Also, we can find some color filters, flashlight. We can find moving photos, so this will be like small GIF, something like that. Google Lens with the help of which you can scan QR codes. And this person icon, which is highlights capture. Here you can check some on-screen instructions how to use this feature. And also we can see this arrow right here and we can swipe up. And from here we can change radio. We can enable or disable moving photo, AI photo, as well as filters. Also, we can find timer, so you can enable it for 2, 5, or 10 seconds, and the photo will be taken after this amount of time which you selected. Also, you can find grid here, so you'll be able to always place the object in the center of the picture. Also, you can find horizontal level, which will look like this orange line, like that, and also settings. Now we can also find here portrait mode, so you can simply place the object in the center. It would be detailed and sharp, and the background would be blurred. Also, we can find here this night mode, so you can make photos or videos at night time, and for that just press camera shutter button and hold your phone still for a couple of seconds and you'll take the best night photo. Also here you'll find this multi-video, so you can shoot with your selfie camera and your main camera at the same time. And you can find here this more tab in which you can enable watermark, high-res, stories, scan documents, time-lapse, HDR, photo, slow-mo, panorama, and Pro mode. In Pro mode, you can use camera of your phone like a pro camera by dragging ISO, changing shutter speed, and white balance, of course. To exit, just simply tap on the screen or use this arrow like that. And also you can tap video and use this Pro video mode. And now we can also find and open settings. And in settings we can change resolution, we can mirror reflection. This is only for front camera. Also we can find watermark and we can mute camera shutter sound and also add floating shutter. So this will look like that. And now you can easily take photos just with one hand. Another thing I want to show you is AI eraser. So for that we need to open gallery and find a photo in which we want to erase something. Let's say I want to erase this part of box on my picture. So I'm going to tap edit. From here choose AI eraser, and now we can find this smart selection which will work like that. So you need to draw a circle around the object you want to erase and then wait a couple of seconds and it would automatically erase this object. As you can see, you can compare it and also you can change size of the eraser. And you can find manual selection to completely erase the rest of not needed part on the picture. And also just wait a couple of seconds. So AI eraser is in progress. And this is the result. Let's compare with the original. And yeah, I definitely see the difference. After that, tap save. You can save as new or replace original. And that's all about camera tips on your Honor Magic 7 Lite. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.